Hello families, this is Miss Wooden and I just wanted to make a quick video for parents and families to show you how we use SeeSaw in the classroom and allow you to see how to do the step-by-step of uploading so that you can support your child at home. So when your child logs into their SeeSaw account, it's going to look like this. This is my account that I made so that I can see the student view through things. So on the side right here, it's going to say activities with a little number. So that's where they're always going to click. So I'm going to click on there. Bear with me. All right, and these are the things, their to-do list, their in progress, and their done list. So if you also want to check to see what they've done so far, you would just hit that done list and it would show you what they've done and what they have in progress. So for right now, I just want to show you how to upload a picture. So one of the things that we just got done doing was our diary entries. We spent 3 weeks on our writing, so I wanted the students to upload a picture for me. So for instance, on this one, I'm going to hit add response. And I told the students not to touch this front page because this is going to be the rubric that I grade them on. So over here on the right-hand side, there are a bunch of blank pages and I put them in there on purpose. So all you have to do is you're going to hit the page and you're going to come over here to this camera and you're going to click the camera. Once you click the camera, then you're going to hit this one that says photo. It's easier for the kids to do photos because when they do videos, they move their pictures around and it's really hard for me to read. So please show your child to use photo. Once you do that, it's going to pop up with something like this, and your child would hold the paper up to the screen and they can click any of the three cameras that they have, either one on the side or the bottom. So I'm just going to click it and it's going to take a picture. So I tell them to make sure that I can see all parts of the page. So I can't see all parts of the page, so now they would come to the third page here and they would do the same steps, click the photo, and then they would move their paper up so that I can see the rest of the page and they would take another picture. Now, once they are all completed uploading all the pictures for that assignment, they're going to hit this green check mark to submit it to me. For whatever reason, if they're not able to finish uploading, then they would hit the draft and then that allows them to save it and come back later. But I'm all done, so I'm going to hit the green button. And once I hit the green button, it sends it to me, and then it will say right here that it's waiting for teacher approval. So that means that I have not graded it yet. So then that will go away once I have graded the activity. So I hope this video is helpful. Again, we want the students to do it on their own, but I wanted to send this support so that if you do have to help your child, you kind of know what to do. But again, let's help them practice doing this way. Most of them are doing very well, and let's just keep giving them that support if needed. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.